Good morning, friends. Today, I think it's going to be a town day. I'm going to head on in. It's just, this morning is exactly like it was last night. Overcast. The clouds were against the cliff by the lake, but it's very pretty, very quiet, very peaceful out here. It's going to be a good hiking day, except my leg is still swollen. It is still tender. We got a 14-mile day, 14 or 15, somewhere in there. But it's got, it's not too bad. 3,600 feet climbing, more than that going down to get to the pass. We have a resupply box waiting for us at Stevens Pass. We planned on going in, picking up the box and keep going. It's a 7-day for us, 6 to 7 days leg for the next, and kind of decided my leg is not up to that. I need a 0 or 2. See if we can't get it recovered. So chances are we're going to try and figure out some way to get to Skykomish. I think that's the closest town. Hopefully find a place to stay and get cleaned up and rest for a day. And hopefully all goes well, because by the time we get there, well, even today we're going to cross a magic line that puts us within 200 miles of the border. I mean, 200 miles. That's darn close. Anyway, wish us luck today and with whatever comes. Well, we just finished the first of 5 material climbs today. As you can see, I'm a little sweaty, even though it's very cold and the wind is blowing and there's fog. Top Rock, what do you think?
I think it's a little occluded. There is a view out there, I know it is.
Well, if I walk out here, I can see shiny water, which must be coming off a lake down below, and clouds and haze. Hey, 1 down, 4 to go. Okay, so that is way more interesting than what we were looking at just a moment ago behind the trees. Quite a view. Now we have to walk down there, which my leg, it's doing pretty good on the uphill. Does not like the downhill.
I think that's too big for your mouth, dude.
You're gonna have to chew on that a little bit. Beautiful flowers this morning.
Pizza!
Top Rock just found some pizza. That is a monster.
A mushroom only pizza.
It's a mushroom pizza.
Mushroom only pizza.
Well, this morning's gray clouds have given way to sunshine and blue sky, which is really appreciated. I'd much rather hike with some blue skies. We just finished yet another big climb, and I think we finished it at least. Kind of going across the top of the ridge now before we drop back down and have one more really big one for the day. But another valley, but it's kind of hidden behind the trees, so it's beautiful in here in Washington, but they sure make you work for it. Top Rock is about to catch up to me. I left at lunch when I was feeling okay with my leg. And he said, okay. I said I'd be going slow. I'd seen about 20 minutes. That was about an hour and a half ago. But he's coming along now. Good to see him again. You always wonder about where your partner is when you're out here and you're separated. Last big climb of the day. Top Rock is now leading the way. Beautiful flowers. And dang, if that lift had only been operating, we never would have taken it, but one can imagine.
Over there. Not very nice of them.
All the chairs, all the seats. Yeah, we should have a bench over here for us. Oh well. Down into the valley. Stevens Pass. We go. Well, when you pay the big bucks, you get the big room. That's what happens when you get the last room that's available in the hotel. But as a PCT hiker, holy Toledo, this is going to be awesome, especially with my leg. I'm really looking forward to taking advantage of this.
Wow.
Even Top Rock is thinking,
That's fancy.
pretty sweet. Hey, so what's our wrap up for today?
What did we do today? We did all kinds of things today. Mostly it was getting out of Dodge.
Yeah, mostly was getting out of Dodge, getting off the trail, getting our supply package. We got
Got a package, yep.
we got a cool lift from fellow hikers.
Yep.
And all the way to Wenatchee, and we got a room because I need a zero. So that's kind of the plan, is hang out for 2 days, and hopefully if the leg recovers and we're back on trail Sunday. We got to figure out how we're going to get there, though, whether the bus goes or not.
I think it does.
So anyway, work on it, folks. Happy trails.
Happy trails.
We'll see you in a couple of days at least, because I'm not going to do 0 videos, so it'll be a few days.
It's a resting day.
It's a rest. Take a break.